What's up, guys? Jake Fry, the car guy here in our beautiful Savannah, Georgia location. Sunny as can be. It's hot out, but we don't let that stop us from bringing you this great content. Guys, what I wanted to show you here today is the newly redesigned 2022 F-150 Platinum. Now, there's a lot to talk about as far as the Platinums go. They have been redesigned, but also talking about this specific Platinum, which has some really cool options that we want to show you here today. Now, this is the Agate or Agate Black F-150 Platinum, and you see it's got the color matching bumpers, but it also has your bigger, improved color matching wheels. So this is your triple black option. You see down low, you've got the power deployable running board. And what's that right there? That is a power boost. So this vehicle is actually rated for 23 miles per gallon, and it's gonna get the same mileage predicted in the city as well as on the highway. So you don't have to worry about you city folks getting that bad gas mileage if you idle a lot, sit in traffic. Now this Maverick, or this F-150 does have was placed as a special order. So it does have your active park assist 2.0 removal, which you would have standard on most of these 701A groups. It's got so much to talk about though. It's got the Bang & Olufsen Unleashed sound system. That's gonna give you 18 speakers, as well as Blue Cruise. So this actually has your hands-free assisted driving technology from Ford. And that power boost is going to extend your range up to, you know, 600-700 miles per gallon or miles per fill in a lot of use cases. You've got the FX4 off-road package there with the new gray FX4 sticker. We know those were usually gray and kind of an orange red in the past. You've got a refined, and this is new I believe for 2022, platinum back tailgate right there. It's blacked out. We've seen in the past it's kind of like your King Ranch or your old Platinums are kind of a chrome aluminum type of look. This has the gloss black with reverse sensors as well as front sensors. So you still have that, as well as your 360 top-down camera without having to go with that active park assist 2.0 feature. You've got keyless door entry, as well as the bigger improved 15-inch touchscreen. Super nice option there. We've got massaging seats as far as the interior. So those are called your multi-contour seats with the platinum specific badging on your seats. You've got adaptive cruise with your Blue Cruise, as well as lane keeping assist and blind spot. So both are present. And talking about the redesign, that front grille is redesigned, as well as the back tailgate. You've got the black Ford badging with this nice blackout package here. And something we haven't seen before, you're actually gonna notice compared with our F-150 Lariat, the hood is just slightly redesigned. Your body lines are a little bit more refined here. And we've also got some plastic hood scoop type of action right there. Super cool. I think it looks great on this 2022 Platinum. Let us know what you guys think. Triple black, is it the way to go? It's hot out here. Would you rather roll with the white? Guys, this is Jake Fry, the car guy. Walker Paul Tetters. We're here with the car guys. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe, because we want to bring you more.